Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and I'm in front of a noisy unit. I'm going to turn it off in just a second. But I've been getting a lot of emails and a lot of comments about my heat pump. It keeps running and the heat's going up, and what's wrong? Something's wrong. Okay, what happens sometimes is you have this thing in here called a sequencer. Okay, and this one just satisfied. Alright, this sequencer is up in here. Alright? And what happens is that sequencer pulls in your electric heat. And when it pulls in your electric heat, it also brings your fan on. So, when you have your fan running and your auxiliary heat on, your thermostat's not controlling. It's just going to keep blowing hot air. I've had them stick on me in cooling. I've had them stick on heating. When it's sticking heating, you just keep getting hot air. And if you feel your ductwork and you go, wow, this ductwork's still warm, check, make sure your outdoor unit's not running. If the outdoor unit's not running, then it could be something to do with your sequencer. But if the outdoor unit's running, it could be a thermostat, it could be the outdoor unit's stuck, or if your outdoor unit's not running, got a problem with it, your auxiliary heat's going to run, you're going to get cold air blowing on you. So you're going to say, oh wow, it's blowing cold air and it never shuts off. Well, it never shuts off because first bulb's calling for heat pump, then you need to go to emergency heat. So the sequencer stick, if it does stick, all you have to do is go to your air handler, turn off your breakers to it, just like that. You've got different types of them, where you have a disconnect that goes to them, like this disconnect on the wall right here. So, excuse me, frog in my throat. So anyway, what you got, there's your sequences. I don't recommend you trying to change them your own self, because you can get the wires mixed up and they are pretty complicated to change. Not to me, but to a normal lay person that doesn't do it every day. So if your heat just keeps running, just turn the breakers off, call your service man, he'll come and take care of it. So your sequencer sticking or your outdoor unit's not running, that's not going to make the heat go up, that's just going to make the outdoor unit run all the time. So I tried to cram so much into these couple of minutes. So if you have any problems, you can just comment, email me at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. Get in touch with me and I'll try to take you through it and explain it on your messages. Thank you.